is how to fix language bar missing error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To fix this issue, go to Start button, choose Settings. From the left pane, go to the Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. Windows will now show you all your available updates. Download and install it in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system and check your issues still are resolved. The second option is go to Start button again, and from the left side choose the option Time and Language. Thereafter go to right side and click on Typing. Scroll down and you will find the option Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click on it. Thereafter, from the top bottom, choose the option Language Bar Options. Click on it and a new pop-up windows will appear. Here, make the check against both the options and click on Apply and then OK button to save the changes. And the third option is go to Windows Search, type ctfmon.exe and click on Run as Administrator command. Windows will now run this command as administrator mode and your problem will resolved accordingly. That's all.